Okay, guys, I just wanted to go over this signal transduction pathways sheet. Not the whole thing, but there's a couple questions that I wanted to, well, one in particular that I'd like to go over. First of all, most of you guys did a pretty good job on this. I looked through them, and I think for the most part, people were understanding this. So what I would like to go through is this last one. Okay, guys, what I would like to do is just quickly go over the signal transduction pathway activity. I'm just going to take a second. There's a bunch of things. You guys did pretty well on this. I did want to go over one part of this, and this is this last question. And essentially what it's asking is how come ligand A can do one thing in some cells and can do and does not do that in others. I don't know why. Oh, come on. Sorry. Still figuring this out. I really like this program, but not really fluid with it. All right, so here's what it's saying. All right, so let's say we have ligand A. Okay, this is ligand A. And so we've got two cells. We've got cell A and cell B. And ligand A triggers a response in A, but it doesn't fit in B. Okay, so there's no response there. So that'll cause this one to divide, and this one will be no division. That is because there's no receptors on B for A. Now, there's a third possibility, and for some ligands, this is important. So let's say we have C. Now, C may have the same receptor on it. So B might go down and add. What will happen in C, though, is if there could be an instance where it does something different, where this causes some different response in C. An example of this would be epinephrine. So epinephrine in some so in some cases, if this is epinephrine, this might cause some smooth muscle. So let's say, smooth muscle blood vessels to dilate. So this would be the muscles in your, would be the type of muscles that are in your the type of blood vessels that are in your muscles would dilate, whereas the type of blood vessels that are in your dilate muscles, and then we would constrict the blood vessels that are in your digestive system. So here's an instance where you would have a single ligand, in this case epinephrine, and it would cause one response in one cell and another response in another. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and stop that there, and so I will get this up into Classroom, and we will move forward. All right, guys, have a good day.